you ticklish? Riley, are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Oh, hey, are you ticklish? Are you mad? Hey, stop it, we've had enough. What about this foot? What about this foot here? What about this foot? No? Put it right here! You can't hold it in forever. You can't hold it in. I can't hold it in forever. Hey, do you tickle? Do you tickle? Do you tickle under here? Oh, you can't hold it in. You can't hold it in. Say, I'm so sick of this.